So you wish to make money online from just a few $100 all the way to a few $1,000s per week with Digistore24 affiliate marketing by getting free traffic. Then you need to watch this video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I got messages from some of you telling me I'm a beginner and I wish to make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. Well, today I'm going to show you beginner-friendly, simple method that is available worldwide and it is 100% free, so it will cost you no money. So with that being said, pay attention and let's start. Okay, so obviously first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche. Now for this method, you actually don't need to choose the product right on the beginning, but it is a good practice to choose the product right on the beginning so you can actually determine your angle of promotion. And to find those products, you can use ClickBank, you can use JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon, or any other affiliate network. But for this purpose, I'm actually going to use Digistore24. So I'm here on Digistore24 affiliate marketplace, and let's just say that I'm in weight loss niche. So what I need to do, I need to click here on fitness and health. And here I can see weight loss related products, and you need to research all of these products in order to find one that is best for you to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, Essential Keto Cookbook. It is a free plus shipping. Now that is always an easy way to promote. Free book plus shipping. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here, Ctrl+C to copy my Digistore24 affiliate link, and I'm going to paste it here in my notepad. So next thing I need is an article. Well, actually I need 1.5 articles. And if you can write that article by yourself, great. You can pay someone else to write that article. Or you can simply come here on Easy Articles and find royalty-free articles. And here in search bar, what you can do is you can search your main keyword. In this case, it is weight loss. And then press enter. And here you can find weight loss related products that you can use. And let's just say, for example, I wish to use this article here. Think fat loss, not weight loss. Click here, and here you can see this article, and this actually looks like a quality article. Now, you can use these articles, but I would strongly suggest to actually rewrite these articles. So what you can do is you can simply highlight everything and then Ctrl+C to copy, and you can rewrite these articles. You can go on Small SEO Tools website, and here you can rewrite this article totally free. So let me just paste my article here. I don't need this. And here you need to click rewrite article and give it a few seconds to actually rewrite this article, because this is a bit longer article. It can take up to a few seconds. And also what I would suggest is to check spelling and grammars, because this is done by bot, by robot. So errors are possible. So always check before you use these articles. As you can see here, you can see words that they actually changed. So what I need to do, I simply need to highlight everything. So let me just go back here and Ctrl+C. And next thing you need to do, you need to go on Google Documents and you need to paste that here, okay? And of course you will delete these colors here, but I will not do that for the purpose of this video. So what you need to do also, here on the bottom, what you can do is you can say something like this, okay? Ctrl+C, and I will just press enter and paste here to add your call to action. Click here to get a free keto cookbook. Okay, I forget A. And I can actually make this bold like this, and I can actually make this, let's just say 24, okay? And now I need to add my Digistore24 affiliate link. So I will click here, and this is my Digistore24 affiliate link. And then I need to highlight this, okay? And click on this little chain and paste my affiliate link. Click here, apply, and that's it. And now what you need to do, here in upper right corner, click here on share, and then you can click here, skip, and you need to click here, change here. Anyone with the link, copy link. Now this is really important. And then I need to paste that link here, okay? And now I actually need to add that half article. Now I have one article, I need another half. So what I can do is I can simply go back here and I can simply copy this. For this example, okay, I will just copy this part here. Ctrl+C, go on a new Google document and paste it here, okay? And here I can say Click here to read full article, something like that. And I need to highlight this and I will make it bold. And let's just say, for example, 14. And now I actually need to link to this article here. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this link here. Okay, Control C, go back here and click on this little chain and then press enter, click apply, and that's it. So now when someone click here on this link, it will take them to this article, this Google Documents, and on the bottom of this article, they can actually click on my affiliate link. So next thing you need to do, you need to go back on this half of the article, click here on file, and then download, and then click here, download PDF document, and download this document as a PDF on your desktop. Okay, so now you need to upload this article somewhere in order to start getting traffic. But let me first show you potential of the website we are going to use. When you go on SimilarWeb, here you can see that this website is getting 57 million visits per month. And the website I'm talking about is called academia.edu. People publish here different researches, different seminars and other documents. And what you need to do, you need to register for a free account. After you register for a free account, this will be your dashboard. And here in search bar, where we actually search for weight loss in this case and press enter, we will see there is actually lots and lots of documents, lots of papers and documents about weight loss, as you can see here. And some of these people are actually getting thousands and thousands of views. And as you can see, let's just go here. Okay, this guy, 74,000 views. And also when you go on Google and when you search for weight loss, and then let me just copy their URL, Academia. Okay, Control C and go back on Google, paste it here. So I will just delete this and press enter. Here you will see that these articles are actually ranking on Google, which means you can get traffic from Google also to your Academia articles. So what you need to do, you need to click here on upload to upload your PDF document. And then click here on upload document. And then click here, choose file. And this is the file that we made in Google Documents. And click here to confirm that you are not robot. Click here, continue. And publish work, okay? And this is the title. Think fat loss, not weight loss. I will actually add a comma here. And abstract, you need to add a short description. So I can simply go back on my Google Documents article and I can simply copy this, okay? Control C, go back here and I can paste it here. Publication name, let's just say Zoran for this example. Zoran, okay? Year, let's just say 2022. I don't have this, okay? Authors, I'm author. Research interest, you need to add your keywords. So let's just say keto in this case, and you can add weight loss, and so on and so on. You will add up to 20 tags in your, you can add up to 20 tags, okay? Section papers, let's just say papers, and then click here, save and finish. Click here, would you like to open your paper to discount? Comment from no comments. And this is my article on academia.edu. And now when someone click here on this link, it will take them to my Google Documents where I published full article, as you can see here. And here on the bottom is my Digistore24 affiliate link. So when someone click here on this link, it will take them to the sales page of the product that I'm promoting from Digistore24. And if they order that free book, I will actually earn an affiliate commission. I will earn $5. So this is how you do Digistore24 affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2022 by getting free traffic. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.